came to our event and has come to our events before, really they come from this outside stressful life and they sit through our group meditation with acupuncture, sound healing, qigong, and the CBD, and they come out feeling like refreshed, rejuvenated, and transformed. And we want that feeling to extend into their daily life.
As everybody stand up. Anybody who can, stand up. And where we're living at the Shaolin Temple, this is the system that they use every morning before they start their hard Kung Fu training for the day. They do about 8 hours of Kung Fu training every day. So to prepare their body for that stress and for that hard physical labor, they start off with this.
Because I consider these people my family. And Shemaya has been in the cannabis industry for longer than like all of us probably. She taught me about CBD, honestly. So I really have a lot of respect for these people. And I also love how they give you an experience. I think we can also use cannabis for integration. Integration is just a daily practice. That's basically what's going on in your everyday life and what changes are you making to optimize your well-being.
The CBD that we're passing out is actually grown in Oregon, and it is grown from seedlings, organically grown, and it's 4 different strains combined into one product. We third-party test it, so we test for potency, terpenes, heavy metals, mycotoxins, yeast mold, residual solvents, and bacteria. So we make sure that our products are pristine.
Our whole entire intention with this workshop is to really kind of bring it a little bit more mainstream. When they're dealing with life stressors and they're busy with their kids, with work, with their spouse, whatever it is, they're able to kind of tap back into their center and remember this moment and remember how calm they were in this moment and bring that forward.